This thing has the potential to pull on me.
That motherfucker fast, bro.
This Genesis shocked the hell out of me. God, I'm upset about this, man. What up, what it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another banger for you guys. Y'all already know what it is. If you're not a subscriber to this channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You know why? Because it don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. So I got a treat for you guys today. So y'all already know my car is all stock. The only thing I got done to my car is the 390 gears. For those that have watched a couple of my videos already, in my last two videos, don't even know right now, but I ended up racing a guy, and that was from a dig. And y'all, if y'all know anything about cars, or if you know anything about gears or anything like that, the 390 gears are a monster from a dig. They're a monster. The only issue is the top end. I lose top end on that. But anyways, that being said, just keep that in mind while you're watching. That being said, I had a guy, real cool guy, that hit me up on Instagram. He was like, look man, I just got my build done. I want to get some runs in and see where I stack up. I'm like, okay, cool, let's do it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Like I said, I had to come all the way down here to Mexico to do this. Been a long road trip. I'm a little tired and worn out, if you get what I mean. So sit back, enjoy, and I hope you guys root for me, because we'll see what's about to happen. Let's go. All right, so this is the beauty that pulled up on me. What year is this? 2015. It's 20, and this is the 3.8. Okay, what all you got done to it? Full bolt-ons, E-85, like a true E-85 build.
Yeah, intake, quarter manifolds, headers,
injectors.
We don't need it to go E-85.
Oh, okay. What tune are you running?
It's tuned by a company called Alpha Speed.
Okay, Alpha Speed. Okay.
It's tuned for E, but the E in Jacksonville only get up to like E78.
Right.
So right now it's on E75.
Got you. This thing's clean though, man. Like when you pulled up, hey, mine 32, so this thing is clean. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think you're gonna do in this race?
I think you're gonna pull top end, because
I don't know. I got the 390 gears, so I lose top end on that.
Yeah, it's a Scat. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but still, I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and try to be cocky and say, oh, I'm gonna win this. I know some people watching this right now are like, oh, that's an easy W right here. The biggest thing is that if you guys are watching this right now, he's much lighter. How much does your car weigh?
Stock 34-ish.
34, so he's about 800 pounds lighter than me already. Number two, if you look at the wheels, those are lightweight wheels. All right, what kind of wheels are those?
Enki RPF ones.
Enki RPF ones. So Enki RPF ones, they are lightweight wheels. All right, so if you actually look at
19 pounds and then the fronts are 18.
Okay, so if you look at my car, I'm running on 22s. I'm on bags, which adds weight because I have the compressors, the tank and everything in the back. I also have a passenger in the car that will be doing the videotaping for me. He weighs about, I'm gonna say around 300 pounds-ish, so that adds weight to it. And then this car already from the factory is around 4,300 pounds without me in it, and I'm around 190-ish. All right, so this car has every advantage. Did you already dyno this car or anything like that?
Yeah, but it made 340 with a 3.5-inch intake, but I ended up like losing my bumper and messing that up. So I had to put my 3-inch intake on, so it's probably still around the same.
Okay.
330, sure. 340.
Okay, so 330 to the wheels. Stock Scats average around 430-ish to the wheels. All right, that's around the average. So I don't have anything done to this car with the exception of the 390 gears. So you say your sweet spot, you want to do what, a 40 roll? What are we doing, 40 to 120?
I normally go like 140, but
140, so 40 to 140. Okay, we can do that. We can do that.
I'll give you a 30.
So this is going to be an interesting race, y'all. definitely going to be an interesting race. So for those of you watching, do not judge a book by its cover. This thing has the potential to pull on me. It definitely has the potential to pull on me, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, so we're hitting the road right now. We're gonna see what we got, man. Like, I'm excited. This is my first time actually doing an official race, so it's about to be interesting. Let's go.
Got on this game face.
Man, look, I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Like, I mean, it's my first official race. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm excited. I'm excited. First official race since I had Nuno. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, he called me out for this, but it's a friendship race. It's not a grudge race or anything like that. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. Like, he's excited about his build. He just got this E-85 build done, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. But I don't think I'm gonna lose. I really don't think I'm gonna lose. But I'm not gonna talk too much shit right now, because at the end of the video, we're gonna see what happens.
You can smell that corn, bro. You trying to do what, a 45 or what you want? 45. 45? All right. We're gonna loop back around. We're gonna loop back around. All right. Trying to do another one, or you what?
Good, or you want to do one more?
We can do one more. It's up to you.
What do you want to do?
Let's try 30.
30?
30, yeah. You got me on 45.
I will say on the low end, I can tell on the low end, I'm pulling, but he's staying right there. So that should show you guys that a lighter car, just because he doesn't have the same amount of horsepower, makes a huge difference. So big respect to him. But we're about to pull up back to the little spot that we met up at, and we'll talk about this race.
Yo, so I'm not gonna front. This Genesis shocked the hell out of me. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect to win, but I thought I was gonna win. So as you guys saw, the first race was a 40 roll. On a 40 roll, we were pretty much neck and neck, and he was right there with me. The second race was a 45 roll, and he took off on me. He got me. I got gapped, y'all. The third race was a 30 roll, which I expected to definitely jump out in front of him, which I did. But as I got to around 110-ish, he started to reel me back in. But we didn't have enough room for him to do so. So I would call that a dub. But to be honest with you guys, the race tonight, I just have respect for him. I'm not even gonna say I won. I'm not gonna say he won. I think I'm gonna call this a tie, because depending on the speeds that we're doing, obviously I'm gonna have an advantage on the low end. He has the advantage on the top end. So it was a definite good race. I'm just gonna say we're tied up. And this Genesis right here, that build, big respect to him, man. Big respect. So I'm gonna say big respect to you. Definite big respect to you. That build definitely impressed me. So, man, I'm gonna call it a tie. What do you think? I'm gonna call it a tie, because on the low end, I got him. On the top end, he got me. So it's a definite tie. So that build, big respect to you, big dog. Definite big respect. But right now, my issue is I ended up mounting my GoPro up here. I don't know if you guys can see the little suction cup. No, you can't really see it. And pulled up to the spot, and my GoPro is gone. So now I'm gonna have to ride up and down the street to see if I find my GoPro. If not, yeah, I'm gonna have to end up buying me another GoPro, because that is a lost cause. Definite lost cause, man. But I'm proud of Nunu nonetheless. Like I said, it's completely stock except the gearing. So it is what it is. But this Genesis right here, man, let me just give you guys one more look at it, man. God, shocked me.
2 hours later.
So I found my GoPro, y'all, but unfortunately I have to get me another GoPro. The battery is gone. The good thing is my SD card is still in there, so hopefully I'm gonna have to go through and see what footage I was able to capture before this GoPro fell off. But yeah, this GoPro is done for. God, I'm upset about this, man. I don't know if the ceramic coating had something to do with it and the reason why it didn't stick, but it completely just, it came off, and I made sure it was secure before I even drove off. So it was actually a good little ways up the street. So like I said, I'm gonna have to review the footage and see when this thing actually fell off. Man. But it's done for. The new one. So I'm trying to see, because when it fell off, I don't know if it damaged anything. So at this point, I'm trying to see if it hit the paint or anything. Like, this thing had to have come off when we were doing high speeds, because I don't see any damage or anything like that. Scratches, nothing. Nope, that's a smudge right there. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly when this happened. Like I said, I'm gonna go home and review the footage and see what happened. But man, Oh man, y'all, I'm upset. I'm upset. So he ended up having a GoPro as well, and I put the SD card in there and to try to see where the footage fell off at, and it's telling me unable to view. So I don't know if his GoPro just doesn't support the SD card that I have, or if I lost all the footage from my GoPro that I had from this race. So we're about to see. He's trying to connect through his app to see if we can. Oh, is that it right there?
I'm trying. They're saying that it's busy. Let's try.
I might have to do it on my laptop.
Oh, you have a...
I have a MacBook, so
yeah,
that's where I do all
yeah.
my editing at.
Let's see.
Where's the battery? It fell out. You couldn't find the battery?
How long is the video?
Why it still work?
Bro, I'm not, no.
I mean, I'm just saying, you just never know.
I don't even have the case thing for it. I'll just get another GoPro. I mean, I still have the other GoPro,
Yeah, I know.
my 6, but I like that.
Yeah.
I like that 8, so.
You might be able to email it. I don't know if it'll be too big then.
Okay.
So
Just
what,
text me.
you know what I can do, because once he airdrops it to me, I'm gonna chop it.
Yeah.
And then just text me. You got an iPhone or anything like that? Okay. So and then I'll shoot you over the footage. But man, again, like I said, good race. I'm shocked. I will say that I am shocked. But like I said, I didn't come here with expectations, but I did come here with expectations. But nonetheless, big shout out to my cameraman over here. I'm hoping the footage that he has on his phone will suffice for this video, and I hope these clips came out pretty decent. So, but anyways, Nunu, you got a name for your car, man? You got a name for your car?
Jenny, dog.
Jenny? All right, so Jenny and Nunu, you know what I'm saying? This is a rivalry now, you know what I'm saying? This is a rivalry now, official rivalry. This thing moves, man. Nah, it's all fun and games, but we're gonna close this thing out. All right, so I'm excited at the fact that it was a good race night. It was a good matchup, definite good matchup. His build is actually impressive. In my opinion, it's impressive. Again, I'm completely stopped. You win some, you lose some. Today, like I said, we both agreed that it was a tie. It was the definite tie. On the low end, I got him. On the top end, he got me. This is to show you guys also that these 390 gears are not highway gears, are not road race gears. These are dig gears, quarter-mile gears. I am planning on building this car in the future to be a quarter-mile beast, all right? A daily driven quarter-mile beast. That is my goal for this car. So I'm slowly doing things to it, especially once she's out of the warranty range. I'm slowly gonna be doing stuff to her to make her a drag strip king, for lack of a better term. I don't want to say that because that the comment section is going to blow up on that. But anyways, that's what I'm building the car for. It's a daily driver. I don't do a lot of highway pulls like that. I don't do a lot of road race events like that. So that's what I'm building it for. But anyways, good race today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I already know I'm gonna get a lot of crap talked to me about this race, but nonetheless, it was a good time. I enjoyed myself, and I'm definitely down to do it again. He said he might want to dig race me in the next couple of weeks, so we'll see what's gonna happen because because I do have drag radials for this thing. So with a set of drags and these gears, I don't think he's gonna stand a chance. But that's me speaking right now. We definitely gonna do this thing again and hopefully catch it on video. So, but anyways, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss any bangers I got coming up for you guys in the future. Follow me on Instagram and hashtag salute and certified drip on all your pictures and videos to show support to the channel. And until next time, YouTube, I hope y'all have a good day.